Thank you for your purchase and support of the It's On products brought to you by NGL Supply, your resource for LED lighting technology. This video is designed to help you configure your whips. Your whips should come already pre-configured. However, if they are not, or they become misconfigured in some way, you can use this guide to configure them appropriately. Before you begin, be sure that your devices are powered and turned on, and that you have already downloaded the Happy Lighting app. When you open the Happy Lighting app, you'll initially begin at this Adjust screen. I'll call this the main screen throughout this tutorial. In the top left of the main screen, you'll see the Managed Devices icon. It looks a bit like a bullet point. And in the top right, you'll see the device configuration icon. It looks a bit like a gear. When you tap the Manage Devices icon in the top left, a menu will appear. In this menu, you'll be able to see the devices that are connected to your app. They should automatically be connected via Bluetooth, but to be sure, pay close attention to the chain link and the light bulb icons. Be sure the chain link is connected and the light bulb is on and green. If they are not connected or not on and green, you can simply tap the chain link icon or the light bulb icon to respectively turn it on or connect it. Once we are sure they are connected, the chain link is closed and the light bulb is on, we can proceed with device configuration. To do so, revert back to the main screen by either clicking back or simply touching on the main screen behind the menu. From the main screen, select the device configuration icon up in the top right. Again, it looks like a gear icon, and then the Dream Settings option in that menu. This will open the Dream Settings configuration screen. In this screen, you'll need to be sure to select a device at the top of the screen by swiping up where it says, "Please select a device." Please beware that if you have multiple Dream devices, you will need to configure them independently, one at a time. The LED type options should not have to be changed. It should already be either SM16703 or TM1804. The Rgb Output Sequence should also not have to be changed, but the appropriate sequence is BRG. This will only need to be changed if when you press the blue, the whip turns red or green, or when you select red or green, it turns blue or some other color. The style loop should not have to be changed, but the appropriate configuration is single cycle. The LED quantity type is the most common configuration error. The appropriate LED quantity type is 115 for our 4-foot whip length. We generally recommend changing one setting at a time and then selecting OK. Once you do so, it will pop up with a success notification. Once you see the success notification, you can return to the main screen by selecting the Go Back icon in the very top left, or simply clicking your back button on your device. And then again, clicking the main screen behind the menu, or once again, simply clicking your back button on your device. At this point, go through and test your whips by changing the colors and making sure the colors are coming out as you expect them, red being red and blue being blue, etc. And your whip length overall, making sure that it is lighting up from top to bottom. An additional test that you can use to be sure it is configured appropriately is by selecting the Style icon in the very bottom of the screen and swiping up until you select the style Mod 069. Mod 069 is a very patriotic style. It's a favorite among people looking to fly a red, white, and blue type style. People really enjoy it for the 4th of July or really anytime they're just feeling patriotic. It gives you a white background and then splits from the middle red and blue. This is a great style to be sure everything is configured correctly, and also just a great style to use in general. Thank you once again for tuning into this configuration video. I hope this has answered any questions or troubleshooting problems that you may have had while using your whips. If you do have any additional issues or concerns that the video didn't answer, please don't hesitate to call or contact us in whatever way is most convenient for you.